I am seriously not buying this Cars Bulldozer for $84 and free shipping. This is way too much. Normally, I find a deluxe car at a retail store for about $7 to $8. If I were to find this for $7 to $8, I would save $74 to $76. That would be much better. But no, I am not buying this one. And this one here is $90. This is ridiculous. I don't have this bulldozer in my Cars collection. This bulldozer came out in 2010, 11 years ago. This bulldozer, I would say, is strong enough to outsmart Jackson Storm. Don't you think? Especially Racing Red Jackson Storm, because bulldozers do not like the color red. This is an angry bulldozer. His giant scoop blade is powerful enough to give Jackson Storm a big dent. And this bulldozer comes from the red-hot short film El Materdor, which is Matador. So if Jackson Storm is using his Racing Red paint job, this bulldozer for sure will ride his tail, which will make Jackson Storm even scareder, probably much scareder than he was scared of Cruz Ramirez beating him at the Florida 500. In conclusion, for nearly $100, I am not spending that much money on Chewy, the name of the bulldozer. His name is Chewy. Chuy. So, I'm going to wait patiently for this one. Hopefully I can find him for a good deal.